Today we're going to walk you through the assembly of the Dominator Portable Pickleball System. What you're going to want to do first is tilt one of the legs over on its side and line up the pole with the corresponding holes on the leg. Then you'll take your two long bolts and feed them up through both the holes in the leg and the pole. After you have both bolts through, you can go ahead and tilt the whole system back until it's right side up. And you'll want to align the holes with the other leg with the bolts that you've already fed through the first leg and the arm. After that's been fed through, you can go ahead and screw on the locking nut onto the long bolts that you fed through. After you've attached those locking nuts, you can go ahead and move into the winch assembly. To assemble the winch, first you'll have to remove the 4 bolts on the winch assembly. After you've removed those bolts, go ahead and attach the winch onto the assembly with the Home Sports logo facing up. You can attach this winch back onto the pole with the 4 bolts you just removed. After you've attached the winch assembly onto the pole, go ahead and remove the bolt and attach the handle onto the winch. You can do this by simply sliding the handle onto the winch assembly and fastening it back on with the bolt. After the winch has been assembled, you can go ahead and tighten the locking nuts that you attached to the long bolts to make sure that the system is secure. After you fasten those on, you can replace the backing plates on both of the legs. Before this step, you may choose to fill these legs with sand with the sandbags provided. After you've attached the back plates, You can add the eye bolt onto the front of the pole. The final step is to add the strap onto the top of the pole to wrap the net when not in use. You do this by removing the bolt and attaching the strap to the pole.